Good morning, children. Today I am telling you a story of monkeys. The name of the story is The Noble Monkey. Long time ago, a large group of monkeys lived in a forest. They had a king. The king ruled over them very wisely. There was a big mango tree that grew on the bank of a river. It had very big, tasty mangoes. So the monkeys were very careful. But one day a big and tasty mango fell into the river without their knowledge. The mango floated on the water and reached the other side of the river. The royal washerman was washing clothes. He found the mango. The washerman thought, "This mango appears to be very juicy and sweet." He decided to give the mango to the king. The king tasted the mango. It is very tasty. Wow! The king wanted to have more of such mangoes. He thought the washerman found it floating on the river. Surely it must have floated from the other bank of the river. There must be a mango tree on that side of the river. So he decided to find out the source of the mango. He took some soldiers with him and rowed a boat to the other side of the river. He was very happy to see the mango tree on the other side. Now he could enjoy the mangoes. Meanwhile, some monkeys saw the men coming. They ran to the Monkey King and informed him that some men were coming towards them. After listening this, the Monkey King said, "We must get out of the forest. Now all of you swing on vine and reach the other bank of the river. I will follow you." The Monkey King helped the old and baby monkeys to swing to the other side. When he was sure that all the monkeys had reached safely, he got ready to swing to the other side. But the vine was too weak to bear the weight of the Monkey King. It broke and the Monkey King fell into the river. Seeing him falling into the river, all the monkeys began to cry for help. "Help! Please help! Please help!" The king was watching all this. He ordered his soldiers to rescue the Monkey King. The king said to the Monkey King, "I am impressed by your sense of responsibility. Your people are now all safe on the other side. I invite you to my palace to spend a few days with me." The Monkey King said to the king, "Thank you for your kind invitation, but I cannot come with you. My place is with my people. I have to stay with them. The king said to the Monkey King, "You are really a great king. You know very well the responsibilities of a king towards the people. I am also a king and cannot harm you or your people. I had come here to get the golden mangoes. However, now I shall not touch these mangoes. This is your kingdom. Please continue living here with your people." The Monkey King said, "Thank you so much for sparing my kingdom and saving my life. Please accept some of these juicy mangoes and take them with you to your palace." The king's soldiers took some mangoes and returned to their palace. So, dear children, did you see how noble the Monkey King was? That's the way you have to treat your friends and everybody else. So, the moral of the story is, be kind to everyone. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you.